elephant safaring, our first of 6.
Dry or dusty or whatever.
So these are up close. How many feet? About 30 feet off of the car here.
Now, how do you tell a female from a male?
Okay, that one that's wading across the water there is a female. You can see by the angular head, it's quite flat at the top and then it goes down with quite an angle. The males are rounded.
Oh, okay.
Okay, they've got a definite sort of round shape. There's a theory to that. You can fit more brain matter into a rounded object.
That's a male, that one very close with the water there.
No, it's a female.
That's a female?
Yeah, that's a female.
Female, yeah. And
What's that big
that's
one
about
over
90
there?
yards out.
He's big.
It's right here about 60.
Typically speaking, there shouldn't really be any males around here. Only very young ones. The males will move in over here if they can smell that there's a female that's in season.
Okay.
If there's no female in season, they won't really bother. They
Really?
tend to hang out on their own.
Oh, so they don't stay with the herd.
No, they don't stay with the herd.
There's not that many bulls and bucks that really stay with the cows and the does. They
No, not
usually
really.
head out by themselves.
Yeah.
So do you have, where would they be?
Around as
Oh,
well.
I see.
Yeah. Thing is, they'll follow up on the scent trails. See, this one's a little bit agitated, flaring out the ears, trying to intimidate.
Yeah.
Also stiff tail.
Yeah.
So a lot of ways you can determine if an elephant is agitated by looking at the ears, looking how stiff the tail, if it's pointing out to the left.
Yeah.
But you can see there's something's disturbing them a little bit. That's why just flapping over their ears.
Yeah.
If you do get pretty close to them, you'll see sometimes, especially the youngsters, like there's 2 youngsters that are close towards us now.
Yeah.
They'll open up their ears, flare it out, sort of almost like a boxer trying to sort of make himself look big.
Yeah.
Okay.
Very good. Very good.
Well, that was great.
That was good.
That was really good.
We're actually now standing at about...
So now the elephants are way off in the distance. You can see the dust. They're giving themselves a dust
We
bath.
should have about 5,000, 5,500.
Oh. So where do you bring it from?
We'll buy, or we'll do a swap. The thing is, they should be pretty relaxed. If you park sort of more or less the direction that they're walking to and they carry on walking, especially from this distance, and you're not hounding them, you're just switching off your engine and you're stopping. If they walk still towards you, it means that they're pretty relaxed. If they really wanted to sort of start moving away, shows that they're a little bit uncomfortable, and yeah, then we won't hound them anymore though.
So she's the matriarch, that one leading them?
Generally the biggest of them, yeah.
What is on their head?
One of the matriarchs might have a collar on her head for research purposes. Sometimes National Geographic, this one is a matriarch. And you can see which ones some of the matriarchs are. There's actually 2 matriarchs in this herd over there now.
Wow, she's close.
And you see the youngster there behind it. Or behind her.
She's 50 feet off the side of the safari vehicle. Well, they're little young ones. Wow.
That's beautiful.
Just here, there's no grass.
Wow. These ones are 30 feet off the side of the car.
Look at the babies.
Oh, man.
Look at them. It's like what you see on TV.
Look at all the little ones behind her.
9, 10. Yeah, I know. She's just little. How old would he be about that?
Oh, I guess it'd be.
Well, right here. It's going to come out in a minute, too. As close as these guys.
You see the baby
guy,
there?
he's just nosing right in there.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. That is good.
Some good grass there, some good grass.
So how old would that one be? The littlest of the...
Okay, the little one that's in front over there?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's about personally 3-4 months old.
Yeah.
We're going to drink some.
He's gonna have a little suck.
Oh, look at that.
Feeling it out. Just feeling it out.
Wow.
That's a cute shot.
Did you take a still of it there?
I haven't got a still of it yet.
Human influence. You'll see a lot of the bigger tusks start coming out, but now they've actually been reduced to genetics. Elephants here with this.
Look at this guy here.
Tusks.
Hey, that's great.
Yeah.
And how old is this one, do you think?
Oh, this one about 7-8 years.
Oh, that really?
Yeah, 6-7-8 years.
That's a big female. That one in the back there.
Over there.
Hello, guy. Hello to you too.
He's got his trunk up like that. You should get a snapshot. He got it down
Yeah, I
again.
guess it's
You're too slow.
Yeah, great.
Okay, see you later.
Yeah.
That is amazing.
Yeah, I get it.
What kind of bird is that?
It's a dove.
That's just a dove.
That's one of they just flew out as a dove.
Did he do that on purpose?
Yeah, well, for sure. Chase it out of the way. Get out of here. He says.
It's just a kid.
Now Steve will keep on moving a little further back just to give them a bit of a gap to cross over the other. Just give them
Wow, look at that. Look at them all. Oh my goodness. Oh, is that a baby over there? No, it's just... More coming. Oh my goodness, there's lots of them.
This guy's coming on our side. Anybody got peanuts?
You shouldn't touch them. Oh my goodness, look at them coming here.
No, I think that those might be the ones that you saw drinking
in the
water.
water.
Yeah.
Oh, these ones are just coming up now from the where we saw them earlier drinking water.
Look at that big one back there.
Look at them. I love a parade. Ra-ta-ta-ta, ra-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta.
Oh my goodness, look at this. Look at this, Peter.
Good chunk there on top of that one back there.
Yeah.
Bells hold.
Oh, he doesn't like that.
Yeah.
Not a good idea.
What?
No, the one that's just pretty disciplining, the other one there in front.
Yeah, trying to get across the road, and they don't like that.
They want to cross. Get out of
Woo. There's the big matriarch trying to get across the road. They let us know, get out of the way. We're coming across with the babies.
You see the ones disciplining the other ones though?
I'm scared them.
Nah, they're disciplining each other though.
Why are they doing that?
No, I'm not too sure why though.
Oh, this one's mad.
They left them.
Yeah, they left him. Whoa. Same to you, fella.